Today I'm making another classic Chinese stir-fry. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make Chinese shrimp lo mein. Stay tuned. Some of my most popular video recipes are Asian stir-fries. I have shown you how to make vegetable, chicken, and beef lo mein, and today I'm making a Chinese shrimp lo mein stir-fry. These are the lo mein noodles that I use, and they are found in the frozen section of the Asian market. You can also find lo mein noodles in the refrigerated section, and you can also find them dry. I'm cutting the noodles in half because they are so long, and this will make them easier to stir-fry and eat. Just cook them according to the package instructions. For the sauce, I'm starting with a little water, and you can use vegetable, seafood, or chicken broth. Adding in some mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce, and this is the key to a good flavored lo mein. Some oyster sauce, sesame oil, and I'm adding in a little heat with some chili paste, and this is optional. Giving that a good stir and setting to the side. This is a stir-fry and it goes quickly, so make sure you have the noodles cooked, the shrimp cleaned, the sauce prepared, and all the vegetables prepped and ready. In my wok on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil and my cleaned shrimp, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes until the shrimp is done and removing from the wok. I wiped out the wok. I'm bringing it back up to heat, adding in some oil and the vegetables. You can use the vegetables that you like. Tonight I'm using some onions, carrots, bell peppers, lots of minced garlic, and I love snow peas. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes, just until the vegetables start to soften, but still have a little crunch. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. The package of lo mein noodles will make 2 stir-fries, so I'm adding in approximately half of the noodles, half of the shrimp, and all of the sauce goes in. Tossing and cooking until all combined, and we are ready to eat. I have a lot of viewers that make the vegetable, chicken, and beef lo mein, and leave comments that they are amazed at how good the lo mein tastes, and thankful that they can now make this delicious stir-fry at home. You can make this lo mein to your liking. Use the vegetables of your choice, and you can add a little sugar for sweetness or chili paste for heat. I hope you give this Chinese shrimp lo mein stir-fry a try, and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!